Hey, man.
Watch out! It's a woodpecker from space.
Who said that? Who the fuck said that?
John Wayne, is this me?
I am Gunnery Sergeant Hart from your senior drill instructor. Get the beer, scumbag!
When I woke up with a shock, I didn't know the reason why.
Sir, jelly donuts, sir!
The dark had fine, but then a light, I heard a funny cry.
Sir, Private Brown, sir! Bullshit! From now on, you're Private Snowball. Do you like that name? Get up there, Snowball! Well, there's one thing that you won't like, Private Snowball. They don't serve fried chicken and watermelon on a daily basis in my mess hall.
Time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more.
I don't know, but I've been told.
Extra pussy is mighty cold.
What you got us, sir? Private Snowball, you're fired. Private Joker is promoted to squad leader. Get the beer, scumbag. Do you suck dicks? Sir, no, sir! Are you a Peter fucker? Sir, no, sir! I'll bet you're the kind of guy that would fuck a person in the ass and not even have the goddamn common courtesy to give him a reach around. Who said that? Who the fuck said that?
It was a funny looking bird, and he said right before my eyes. With his waist shoot and a laser gun, he was only flexing by. I was looking at his face, but he was right in front of me. I was hypnotized by his eyes, and he told me where he wants to be.
Well, thank you very much. Can I be in charge for a while? I didn't know they stacked shit that high. One for the commandant. One for the corps. Get out there. Oh!
Down to the boogie ground, and we
I guess the corps don't get there.
John Wayne, is this me? Sir, jelly donuts, sir!
Bullshit, I can't hear you. Bullshit, I can't hear you. Sound off like you got a pair. Bullshit, I'll bet you could suck a golf ball through a garden hose. Holy dog shit, Texas only steers and queers come from Texas, Private Cowboy. And you don't much look like a steer to me, so that kind of narrows it down. Do you suck dicks? Sir, no, sir! Are you a Peter fucker? Sir, no, sir! I'll bet you're the kind of guy that would fuck a person in the ass and not even have the goddamn common courtesy to give him a reach around. No shit. What have we got here? A fucking comedian, Private Joker. I admire your honesty. Hell, I like it. You can come over to my house and fuck my sister.
He's so horny. We love you long time.